Hello viewers, if you're given this kind of question and you're asked to find the forces in all the members of the trusses, want to know the forces acting in each of the members. This is how you can approach this kind of question. First of all, consider the span from this point to this point. The span is 4 meters, addition of this and this. Having done that, now you can split it into this form, AD and DB. What is AD? Length AD is 2 meters and length DB is what? 2 meters. Having done this, the next thing we need to do is the knowledge of this is important. This length AC. So let's say length AC is equal to what? Using our Pythagoras theorem, it has to be the square of this and this from here to here is 1.5, which is this plus 1.5 square. So this will give us, this is 4 plus 1.5 square is what? It's 2.25. So we'll add this and take the square root. This will give us 2.5 meters. That is length AC. After getting this length AC, the knowledge of this theta is important. Find sine theta and cos theta because we're going to resolve the forces in vertical component and horizontal component. So let's say for sine theta is what? Is opposite over hypotenuse. What is the opposite? Opposite is 1.5. Opposite is this from this point to this point, while our hypotenuse is from this point to this point, which is what? 2.5. So sine theta becomes this divided by this. We have sine theta to be 0.6. The knowledge of cos theta also important. Cos theta, cos becomes what? Adjacent over hypotenuse. What is the adjacent? 2. What is the hypotenuse? 2.5. So we'll divide this by this. We have our cos theta is 0.8. So the knowledge of this and this is important. So remember that you must have to know the formula to calculate force acting horizontally and when you're resolving force acting vertically. At the end of the day, if you resolve your force and you have a negative force, know that that member is in